Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, we are obviously in a move to the downside. I mean, we definitely got a swing high, then we got like a lower high, lower high, lower high. So, we are definitely making a move to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. But we have to keep in mind that the daily is definitely 100% still up. We do not have it golfing down. We really do not know anything except for that this wave right here is potentially over. This could end up making a pretty decent move to the downside, but it might just go to a Fibonacci retracement level and it might just turn back up and continue this very, very strong uptrend on these very, very high time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I would definitely be recommending shorts right now if you're trading the 1 hour time frame and below. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would have to be waiting for a pullback. Hopefully, what ends up happening here is that this is like an A and this is like a wave B. And I hope that it kind of goes up one more time for a wave C, maybe sweeps all these highs and then turns back down. If that happens, that would definitely make for a nice shorting opportunity, maybe taking it down to one of these 4 hour time frame Fibonacci retracement levels. But be very, very cautious about shorts. I mean, we are definitely in a very, very, very strong uptrend on all of our higher time frames. What does that mean? That means that this higher time frame uptrend could continue and price literally could go up and make new highs very, very easily, really at any time. I mean, even if it goes up like this, I might assume that it's a wave C, but then it just keeps going and going and going and going. I definitely do think you have to be a little bit aware that the higher time frames are definitely still up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.